Menta kasingi kalai puitrik uliber arja apun rio kaseng Meghalaya Swimming Association kalapun ko burom yaki armut kinong chingi ki belawan ra burom ya kecela hakiba kilayo ikita kemarenong haka jingiakop chingi haka Asmita Women Swimming League East Zone kablalong ha Guwahati pada haka First India Khelo Games arja apun rio kablalong ha Chhattisgarh ki armut ki belasya apun ko burom haka MSA kilong kasamla pediang suklang singwan kabadena kasnong shela kabalawan balai ha kabayakop chingi kabasan pomita ha ka Women Swimming League East Zone kabalalong ha Guwahati ha ka arpoitrik ulper ajar apun rio kasamla verem gidalaya nong siet kalawan balai ha ka jingiakop chingi kabasan pomita ha ka First India Khelo Games ajar apun rio kabalalong ha Chhattisgarh yakini baro arngul ai chingi kai da unong ikai laiton jam santoch yakini ki jingpun ko buram yakini ki arngul ki thei samla ki balalong ki ban nyngkong ha ka chela banyo takma ha ka jingiakop chingi ha kari lapelong ha kronolin swimming pool shalong ha ka jingidan ringkat lang ki bahayeng bahasam bat kinong elam kaseng.
This is a milestone in the history of Meghalaya Swimming Association. Why? Because for the very first time, Meghalaya collected medals at a national meet. And that too with our limited resources, limited facilities, we could manage. And I would also like to congratulate especially the swimmers who have dedicated their time and everything, including their parents, to make them athletes of a national caliber. We still have a long way to go. As we all know, Meghalaya Swimming is not the destination actually. The destination is getting into the podium and wearing the medals, but it's the journey. The journey where we have, fought tooth and nail against all odds. Get our athletes, young athletes to, commit themselves to the sport and convince them. It's a very long journey. But this journey is also, we still have a long way to go with the nationals coming. And if you look at the age group of our athletes, they're very young. Most of them are below 20 years. A few are 20 and 21 years and in their 20s. I think only one is in her 20s. So this is one or two in the 20s. So this is a kind of the path forward for Meghalaya Swimming Association. And we're looking to provide them the best. We also thank the government of Meghalaya for the team preparation that has helped this young athletes to achieve what they have achieved. Team preparation is very important. Without team preparation, we cannot go into any event. So, since last year, we were supported by the government of Meghalaya, by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, to give our swimmers the required coaching, the required facilities. Even though we have a 25 meters pool, we had to take them out to Jorhat. So Jorhat was a 14 days training camp, then go to Guwahati again another 14 days training camp. So on and off with trying to cope with all this practice with their studies. Most of them are in class 10, class 11, class 12. So it's not an easy task to balance the studies and their sport.